Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, including the old traditional ways. Today we cubed up some beef roast and canned it to test the new lids. I wasn't able to record much, but I did get a few photographs. I'm going to go ahead and put them here with what I did and my results. I put the beef cubes in quarts with nature's seasoning, 1 teaspoon. I then added water to make gravy and processed them for 90 minutes in the pressure canner at 10 pounds of pressure for my altitude. And they all sealed so far. I really do like those new lids. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our content.